All right, so Chinese moped. Found the identification numbers here, right down there. So I'll record all that on the invoice. A couple things going on. Well, we have an absence of the key switch, which did actually mount right there, but it's gone. It's unplugged. It's actually, this is it right here. So I went ahead and spliced that. I was thinking of just go ahead and putting on just a toggle switch, maybe a hidden toggle switch. I took the old bus fuse out and replaced it with an inline unit, so it's easily with the current type of 10 amp fuse. What I'm doing right now is I set up the compression tester here and there, and the carb is ready to go on. This thing is definitely ready. Got it ready to mount, but I just want to do a compression check, which I'm going to do now. This meter is running here, so we're looking for anything. It'd be nice to get anything over 90, but let's just see what it does here. Wow. Okay. Maybe if I should connect it, huh? All right. Let's do that again. Sounds like a compression. All right, we got a 68. Okay, not bad for being above 60 is good. Being below 60 is not good. Not bad for a dry motor that's been sitting for who knows how long. I went ahead and put some decarbonization cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and do the vacuum test. I need 2 hands for that. And just to note, I had to kind of with the air filter was attached to the resend. It's right down there, this hose here. So I have that kind of as a breather hose, because that's more of a return for the vapor coming out of the motor into the carb, which actually dirties the carb. So I just went ahead and get it on an open end dispersion down towards the chain, and then I plugged up the put a cap on the that, so we have a clean filtering intake system. So if I get a good vacuum test, I'm going to go ahead and bolt on the carburetor and get that system in right now. I went ahead and tried to clean as much as I could on the chain in terms of lubrication and degreaser. What I'll do is I'll just lift with a scissor jack the rear end if I get it running to spin. But the problem right now is, even when I jump these wires, I'm not getting the system to light up. And I think a lot of it has to do with this alarm unit system, which may require a remote. So I may need to cut out the alarm system and bypass it in order for that. I don't know if that's a power on or off, or that's just a tilt sensor for a siren. I don't see a siren. So so my next job after I get the carb on and get things kind of filled up, I'm going to take this tank off and kind of deal with the petcock right there, and the fuel filter and the hose, and flush the tank. So right now it's carb on, tank off, clean, and then set up a fuel bottle on the carburetor. But first I got to do the vacuum test, and then puts a little bit more air in the tires. So basically we're dealing with an electrical problem. So okay.